Hello everyone. Another exciting box opening. Box 18 foot pedal controllers. The big box. Oh. It's Thursday, September the 5th, 2019. Okay, the first box is not a foot pedal. Cool box, Singer. I like it. I like it. It's brand new. Okay, must have been maybe bought from Singer. Okay. It looks like one that can just operate on a typical 3-prong motor, but I have no clue. Oh, we got writing on the box. Okay. Doesn't mean anything to me. But if anybody recognizes that motor, they were asking 60 bucks for it. Brand new, 60 bucks. I'm sure I can cut that in half, no problem. You identify it, it's yours, 30 bucks. Oh, I should know, there's at least 6, 7, 8 machines that use this. I got a bunch of these too. I didn't think about where to put them. Where to put them? On a box. All right. Let me put on my specs. Make sure we're in focus. All right. All right. I'm sure glad a lot of these have tags. New home, cord, and control. What kind of new home? Well, one of those. All right, a lot of box space. Let's put this screw here. Oh, interesting. That allows you to, I'm guessing, to adjust your, where you don't go too fast. A lot of boxes. Electronic foot pedal controller with that big old end. Electronic foot pedal controller. This whole box is electronic foot pedal controllers. I'm gonna bag these later. I bag them separately, and that keeps all the cords from tangling up. And I don't have to spend like 2 hours playing the untangling game. Since they're not tangled. Someone did a good job keeping them untangled. So you get the idea. All these electronic, they appear to be brand new. I don't know how long they were sitting on the shelves before I got to them. Yeah, these appear to probably be purchased. Oh, look at that big old plug. All these electronic ones. I get requests for electronic plugs every now and again. A big old one. Alright, I'll be right back. I gotta blow my nose. Sorry about that. Alright, here we go. Another electronic plug. Well, that box is filled. It didn't take long. We'll use this box. Playing the untangle game. Not really. There's just a couple of cord stuff. We gotta take these out of the box so I can use this box. Put it back in. Wow, a lot of electronic ones. Okay, let's put this box on the floor. Now we're getting somewhere. Put this here. Put this here. Put this here. Put this here. Electronic. Oh, that's an interesting wrap job. Come on. Yes. Alright. Same ends, different kind of style controllers. Here's same. This is identical that I just showed. Identical. Also identical. I think they're brand new. They were just put on the shelf. They're kind of dusty now. Not sure. Well, we'll deal with it. All the same. You get the idea. Little different plug-ins. You know, some of the big ones like that. I'm not even sure what that goes to. Okay, 2 more boxes done. I don't think this one's electronic. Oh, this is a little bit different. Foot controller. Customer had an extra. Oh, that was nice of them. Brought it into the shop. Alright, come on. I got lots of work to do today. I want to play the untangling game. Alright, let's go. Maybe we can just pull the ends out. Pretty much the same stuff. Couple are like, ooh, beautiful. Look at that. I think they're brand new. I think these are all brand new, honestly. Those that don't like using old foot pedals, there you go. That looks like a Kenmore. Nice shape. What do we have here? Kenmore. I've been selling a lot of these on eBay. Getting top dollar for this type. I don't get many of them. Got the genuine Kenmore brand. That one's in really nice shape. I test every foot pedal, by the way. I make sure the variable speed works. I inspect all the wiring. I run my finger down the wiring to check for any nicks. If they don't pass the inspection, I don't sell them. Or I sell them with that, in the description, as is. Alright, boom. there you have it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you to subscribe and like the video. A lot more box videos to come.